Hi guys, I want to show you in this video how you can handle allocation when you only have a total amount for a purchase table. Let me show you on my screen. So here we have a table with purchase order, date, payment terms and total amount. Here in the payment terms is showing how many installments I have to pay and how many days after the purchase order date I'm going to pay each installment. So how we can solve this? First I need to add a column, and here we are going to use a function named text.positionOf. And this function requires a text, which is the payment terms that we are going to use, and the substring that we are going to use is a specific element from this payment terms column, so we can check how many installments we have to pay. So I'm going to use the slash. And then the most important part, it's this occurrence, which checks how many times I want to check the substring. In this case I want to check every time it shows up. So I'm going to use occurrence.all, which is this first one. Let's close parentheses and check the result. So here we have a list, and we can check here that in this list is showing the position of this substring. This is not what we really want. We just want to count how many times this string is showing. So let's add list.count before text.positionOf. This way we can count how many times this element is showing. Here we can see the result, which is showing 2 times in this first line, 1 time on the second line and none in the third one. But we need to know the quantity of the installments. So I need to add 1 after this function. And here we have the result. Now we can split the total amount for each of these installments, adding a new column and dividing the total amount for this custom column. And let's name these installments. And now we can split all these lines for each of these installments. We right click the payment terms and choose split column by delimiter. It's already showing the slash. We want to split on each occurrence of the delimiter, but now we need to open these advanced options and change from columns to rows and click OK. Here we have a line for each of the installments and how many days after the purchase order we need to pay each installment. So let's add a new column and name this payment date and use the function date.add days and choose date. And then in the number of days we're going to choose payment terms again and close parentheses. OK. And that is the payment date for each of these installments. We can remove these 2 columns, and that is our final result.